Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Students, we all know about our capital. What is it? Yes, it is Delhi. Today we will learn about history of Delhi and how it emerged as the capital. Delhi first became capital of a kingdom when it was ruled by Tomara Rajputs, who were defeated by Chauhans of Ajmer in the middle of 12th century. Chauhans are also referred as Chamans. Under the rule of Tomara Rajputs and Chauhans, Delhi became an important commercial center. Students, you must be thinking how it became the commercial center. This is because many rich and affluent Jaina merchants came to live in the city and constructed many temples. Coins were produced here and were called Delhi Wall. These coins were circulated widely. Children, as the name suggests, today we are going to study how sultans ruled Delhi and what changes were taken place during the period of sultans. Now students, I talked about Jaina merchants, right? So who were these Jaina merchants? Basically, they were rich peasants who dealt with agricultural items. How can we sum up the previous paragraph? We can say that Delhi started developing even before Delhi sultans entered there. But the main transformations took place under Delhi sultans. Okay, so a question must be arising in your minds that from where did Delhi sultans came? Back then, when Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated in the year 1192, the rule went in the hands of outsiders who were foreign invaders. These outsiders were the ones who were called Delhi sultans, right? These foreign invaders were from western sides like Afghanistan, Iraq, etc. Students, what we are noticing here? We can easily notice the shift of power. Now let us study in brief about Delhi sultans. Mainly, there were 5 dynasties that together made the Delhi sultans. First, early Turkish rulers, who were also called Mamluk dynasty or slave dynasty. Second is Khilji dynasty. Third is Tughlaq dynasty. Fourth, Sayyid dynasty. And fifth is Lodi dynasty. Now you all must be thinking why early Turkish rulers were called slave dynasty. This is because usually the son of king becomes the next king, but that time the rule came to hand of slave from kings, and the king was Muhammad Ghori. Now students, look at the table on the screen. We can observe that in the beginning there were Rajput dynasties which included Tomaras and Chauhans, and Rajputs ruled up to 1192. Fine? These were all our native rulers. After this, Delhi was ruled by early Turkish rulers. Now these were invaders from Turkey side. Let me tell you that Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori, and later after the death of Muhammad Ghori, the rule was passed on the slave Qutbuddin Aibak, and he is the same person who made Qutub Minar. When Muhammad Ghori ruled, he did many destructions in the ruling period of Qutbuddin, was from 1206 to 1210. After him comes Shamsuddin Iltutmish. In his period, he also did a lot of work and expanded Delhi. Later on, an important change took place because a female ruler came into power, who was Razia. who was daughter of Shamsuddin Iltutmish. Students, why I am saying that is an important change? This is because at that time it was a great thing for a female leader to come into power. Also, many people didn't like her because she was a female ruler. This is the reason she was killed after 4 years. Her ruling period was from 1236 to 1240. Now comes the turn of Ghiyasuddin Balban as a ruler who was the last ruler of slave dynasty. After defeating Balban, Khalji dynasty came into power, whose first ruler was Jalaluddin Khalji, who ruled from 1290 to 1296. After him, his nephew Alauddin Khalji came into power in 1296 and ruled till 1316. After Khalji dynasty came Tughlaq dynasty. Tughlaq dynasty had 3 rulers. First was Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, who ruled for 4 years. Second one was Muhammad Tughlaq, who ruled for a very long period and did many weird works, because of which many people regarded him as mad. And third one was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Now the next dynasty was Sayyid dynasty, in which Khizr Khan ruled, and later Bahlul Lodi of Lodi dynasty.